Honda Prelude, a sporty new chapter. Between Civic and Integra, Honda is clearly carving out a sweet spot for the upcoming Prelude, slotting it perfectly between the ever-popular Civic and Acura's upscale Integra. As the slow reveal of Honda's sleek, two-door hybrid sports coupe continues, the latest tease comes from an unexpected source, Honda's own LinkedIn page. Underneath, a crisp image of the silver Prelude concept. Though let's be honest, Honda calls just about everything a concept until it's basically rolling into dealerships. We finally get our first glimpse inside the car. The featured model is a right-hand drive Japanese market version, but rest assured the US version will have the wheel on the left where it belongs. Our most Acura T peak yet. Up until now, every public sighting of the Prelude has kept its cabin under wraps, literally, with dark tints and blacked-out glass. But now, we're finally in. If you guessed it'd borrow heavily from the Civic's interior playbook, pat yourself on the back. The Prelude clearly builds on that foundation, but adds its own sporty, upscale twist. And while this interior may not be the final version, we'll see when the Prelude hits the US market in late 2025 or early 2026. Several details stand out. The dashboard design seems straight from the Integra, ditching the Civic's sleek full-width air vent treatment for a more conventional setup. The digital gauge cluster and tablet-style infotainment screen, pure Acura influence. Premium vibes, Honda Roots material quality looks solid, aligning more with Acura's premium standards than the base Civic's already nice, but less plush cabin. Down in the center console, we see familiar Honda components. Push-button shifter, Civic-style drive mode selector, and electronic parking brake. But also a mysterious new addition, a shiny black button labeled S+. Here's where things get exciting. While the Prelude won't revive the ultra-niche hybrid manual combo Honda once dabbled with, RIP Insight, and early Civic Hybrid dreams, that S+ button hints at performance-oriented hybrid tuning. Expect Honda to simulate aggressive gear shifts for a more engaging drive, even without a traditional transmission. Tech tricks. Under the hood. Underneath, the Prelude shares its hybrid architecture with the Civic Hybrid. The gasoline engine mostly acts as a generator, sending juice to the battery and electric motor. Occasionally, it'll clutch in for direct drive under heavy throttle or highway speeds. Most of the time, though, it's all electric motion. To make the driving experience feel less like piloting an appliance, Honda already programs subtle power dips during acceleration in the Civic Hybrid, mimicking gear shifts. In the Prelude, especially in S+ mode, we're expecting even bolder fake shifts to spice things up. As for the steering wheel paddles, they'll likely control regenerative braking levels, just like in the Civic and Accord hybrids, though they might also let you influence those simulated shifts. Rear seats? Let's just say they're one area where the Prelude likely won't shine. Rear seat space. From the looks of it, the back seat is more of a formality than a functional space. Tight, dark, and best reserved for kids or duffel bags. But hey, that's par for the course with compact coupes like the Toyota GR86 or Subaru BRZ. On the bright side, Honda's knack for smart packaging should mean the Prelude offers decent trunk space, especially if it follows the Civic's surprisingly cavernous lead. We'll know more once the US production model makes its official debut later this year, but this Japanese market preview gives us our clearest picture yet of what to expect, and it's looking promising.